Hey, welcome back to my channel, Jeannie Lynch. So happy that you're here today and so excited to continue the beautiful work of teaching different spiritual modalities, but also tying them to a meditation. It's 2-for-1 today on my channel. And here's how. Today, we're going to be looking at this guy. Did you know there's different Buddhas who do different things? Did you know that they have symbolism within them and they're here to assist you in different aspects of things that you're working on? Well, this is the healing Buddha. And today we're going to learn all about that Buddha. We're going to uncover the symbolism attached to it. And it's kind of like the law of attraction, right? You might understand it, but when you really work with it and know it, how much better it is once you understand it, right? So we're going to bring more consciousness to the idea of a healing Buddha. And like I said, it's all going to be tied to a beautiful meditation. So it's 2-for-1 shopping today on my channel. So stay listening, stay watching that podcast, that video. It's coming up next. Hey, thanks for staying clicked in. So excited to teach you more about this particular Buddha, the healing Buddha. Here's a beautiful slide of this Buddha. And I want to kind of break down all the different symbolism attached to this Buddha and go into detail. It's not going to be a long video today. It's just a short teaching all around the energy of a healing Buddha and how to use it in your own spiritual practice. So I'm so excited to share this with you, and I'm so excited to teach you more about the different aspects of spirituality that you can use in your own daily practice. So without further ado, let's get right into today and go through an understanding and bring some consciousness to the healing Buddha. First slide, let's do this. Hey, a beautiful thank you to Spiritual Connections for letting us connect their beautiful Medicine Buddha meditation in this video. So let's get right into the teachings. Right out of the gate, the Sanskrit word for the Medicine Buddha is Bhaisayaguru, and basically it means medicine guru or medicine Buddha. The Buddha of compassion, also known as the Medicine Buddha, the King of Doctors, the Master of Healing, and the Healing Buddha. He is a revered figure in the Buddhist tradition. He is believed to possess immense healing qualities that can alleviate suffering, both physical and mental. The Medicine Buddha embodies the ultimate truth of healing, compassion, and even wisdom. According to the ancient scriptures, the Medicine Buddha made 12 vows to help all living beings attain liberation from suffering. These vows include granting protection against illness, eliminating pain, and guiding individuals towards enlightenment. The Medicine Buddha is often depicted in a sitting posture with a radiant blue complexion. His right hand is extended in a gesture of generosity, holding on to a healing plant known as the Marobilan. This plant, as I looked up, was known as a gooseberry plant. Let's keep going. This plant symbolizes the medicine that can cure all ailments. In his left hand, he holds a begging bowl. We've called these Buddha bowls, representing the act of receiving as well as giving, and the cycle of both. Devotees around the world often seek solace and guidance from this Medicine Buddha. They believe that by connecting to his enlightened energy, they can tap into their own innate healing abilities and cultivate compassion towards themselves and certainly for others. The statue of my Medicine Buddha sits proudly on display on my Buddhist shelf, and I also use it in my healing sessions with my clients as well as my yoga practices. The Medicine Buddha is not only revered in the Buddhist traditions, it's also embraced by people from various backgrounds and even faiths. His teaching reminds us of all the interconnectedness of all beings and the importance of using compassion in the healing process. So in closing today, Whether you're seeking physical healing, emotional well-being, or simply just trying to make a deeper connection with your inner self, please use the medicine Buddha and all of its symbols and all of its strength and compassion to offer you a profound path towards healing and liberation. The last thing you need to do, or that I invite you to do, is right up here. I'm going to connect Joe and Patricia's beautiful channel, Spiritual Connections. I'm partnering up with them to help them do their visualizations for their channel. And they have such rich content. And it connected to this video in my cards is the Healing Buddha meditation that goes perfect with this teaching. So this is Jeannie. I hope you enjoy it. They're going to be shorter little videos, jumping on, teaching you a little aspect, connecting all to beautiful meditations and collaborating with spiritual connections. I hope you enjoyed it. We will see you next video. Happy healing. Namaste.